Hello, my name is Glenn. I'm an attorney with Woods and Bates in Lincoln, Illinois. I want to talk today a little bit about what a deed is, what a deed does in a real estate transaction. So a deed, by definition, is a legal document that's going to transfer ownership of real estate from one party. It's often referred to as the grantor, or parties, the grantors, to another party, which would be the grantee or the grantees. It's important to understand what a deed does when you're buying or selling real estate and what the deed says. So there's typically three types of deeds that are used in real estate transactions. There's what's called a quitclaim deed, and this is going to provide the least amount of protection to the buyer in a real estate transfer. What it does is it transfers the interest that the grantor or grantors own, if any. It doesn't make any warranties as to their title. It just says, whatever I own, that's yours. The next kind of deed that has a little bit more protection is what's called a special warranty deed. That's going to be a deed in which the grantor says, okay, I haven't caused any defects in the title since I've owned it, but they're not going to warranty anything before their ownership. The best kind of deed, if you're the buyer, is a warranty deed that provides the buyer with the most protection. The grantor or grantors are saying, we have clear title to this property. We're going to defend any claims against the title, etc. We're conveying clear title to you. So the type of deed is important. What the deed actually says is important. That deed's going to show your ownership. It's going to show how you own the property. So are you taking it jointly with somebody else? Are you taking it as tenants in common? Are you taking it as tenants by the entirety? Those are all different types of ownership. That deed's going to get recorded. It's going to be a matter of public record and show that that title transferred to you. And if you're purchasing property and getting a loan, the lender is going to require that you have title insurance. That title insurance is going to ensure clear title in your name. And so that deed is what's going to convince the title company that they should offer that insurance. If you plan to sell it later, that deed's going to show, okay, here's where title went, here's who owns it. And then, it's going to have the names and addresses of the people that are granting title, their marital status, what they're conveying. It's going to have a legal description of the property so that we can identify the property and how it's being conveyed to the grantees. There's formatting that the deed has to follow so that it can be recorded. It has to be on specific paper size, specific print, color margins, space for stamps, that type of thing. But we're going to make sure those deeds all meet those requirements so they can be properly recorded. Deeds are important. What deeds say are important. Understanding these things before you purchase real estate or sell real estate. These are all important things. So if we can help or answer any questions, our telephone number is 217-735-1234. Thank you.